I don't care if I'm sick. We have to do this. We promised the fans Cats cosplay love.
Jessica and Holly are doing some sort of an in-jokey, meme-related skit with cats, and I am completely lost and confused. I think Jessica and Holly really gone off the deep end on this one.
Come talk to me for a moment. Nice. How did it go on stage for you?
Jessica was sick like 2 seconds ago because she's allergic to wool. Fancy that.
Oh my God.
I don't know which is the worst part, how sick I am, how terrible our choreography ended up being, or how much absolutely no one understood what we were doing.
All right, thank you, ladies.
Thanks, Becky.
I am really embarrassed right now.